Hey guys, have you ever taken the perfect photo and then realized, ugh, there's a big, ugly watermark on it? Don't worry, I'll show you how to erase it in seconds. No software, no hassle. Step 1. First, just click once to upload your photo with the watermark. Next, grab the brush tool and simply paint over the watermark area. You don't need to be perfect, just cover it. Step 2. Now hit confirm, and boom. In just a few seconds, the watermark disappears. The best part? You can instantly see the result. Just swipe left or right to compare the before and after. It's super satisfying, and that's it. Quick, simple, and 100% free. No login, no hidden tricks, just upload, click, and enjoy your clean photo. If this helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome AI hacks.